YouTube. It is Naughty Girl again, and this is my edition of my makeup bag, of what's in my makeup bag. This is the size of my makeup bag. And I don't carry much in, my purse or whatever, besides my wallet with my driver's license, little cash flow, and whatever else supposed to be in your wallet. But anyways, but this was my little makeup bag, and I chose a size like this because of the fact I do not like toting too much stuff around, especially a makeup bag with a whole bunch of stuff, because necessarily I don't think that you should have that much going on. I got this from Walmart, like under $4, so it was like right at $4. What I have in this bag is, first I have my little EOS lip balm. Everybody, I think all makeup lovers, if you're not wearing any makeup during the day or whatever, and mine's almost gone. And so I need to get some more. But for those who don't know, this comes from Walmart. I don't know if they sell them anywhere else, but this is for one of those days where I don't want to throw on any makeup at all. I just want to make sure that my lips don't look ashy or cakey. A little compact mirror. It's cheetah print. It's so cute, but the little cheetah prints like faded off of it because I had it for a while. But it has a two-way, a small side and a big side that goes with it. So this was, I can't even remember how much it was, but I got it from Walmart, where they have the hair stuff so that's why I got that at makeup bag. I have my lipstick of the day. So today I am rocking this Black Radiance Dynamic Duo Lip Balm and Gloss. Now I'm gonna tell you about this. It does not really show up on my lips as much, but I do love the heck out of the lip gloss part. I think it shows up way better than the actual lipstick itself. And so I also have in this my NYX Natural 222 lip gloss. So I have that, and my Mauve. I know too many coats, right? But hey, it's popping. This is my Mauve Out of Here lipstick, and in place of this by Wet n Wild. You can get this for $1.97 at any local Walgreens, CVS Pharmacy. I have my fingernail polish of the week. This week I am rocking green, and this one is by LA Colors. I don't know if LA Girl makes this, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking that they make these fingernail polishes, and also with my clear coat to make the nails pop. So yes, that's also a sponge. I love this sponge. I got this sponge from MAC. It's a little dirty, but I love this little sponge. I'm gonna pick up some more when I get a chance, because I absolutely love this sponge for blending, also for absorbing oils from your face throughout the day when you're wearing your makeup. If you've been wearing your makeup for a while, and you can see your face oil up, this is just a tip that I'm giving you. Either you can use a sponge like this, you can use a wedge, or you can use a paper towel or a napkin, and you just basically pat it where you see a lot of shining going on. And I guarantee you, when you do this, your makeup will look so fresh, instead of just adding the finishing powder to, I guess kind of bring your makeup back to life. But this as well will bring your makeup back to life. Just pat it, in your shining spot. Eyeliner, and my favorite eyeliner is by Rimmel, And this color is 161 black, and I have one that's like it's Scandal Eyes, but it's also by Rimmel, and it's more crayon-ish. I don't know if that's a word, but yeah, excuse me, this is also in my makeup bag, along with my pencil sharpener. This one is, I think it's by Wet n Wild, 98 cents, girls. Go cop that. Get you a couple of them because they will tend to get those really metallic whites, and they're scented. And it smells so good. I can't tell you what they smell like, but I think the flavor is on it. It's the cherry smell to it, and this was $1. I got it from Walgreens, and this is for, you know, those little emergencies or whatever. You get sticky fingers, rambling with stuff, or whatever you're doing, and you can't get hold to no water or nothing. These things right here save. My spare key to my car in my makeup bag, just in case I mess around and may lock my keys up in the car, and I can go absolutely just go to the makeup bag and hey, there's my spare. Charge the battery, can't get hold to a charger or anything, don't want to leave your phone in the car. Yes, baby, I always keep you a charged battery when you're doing things like that. So yes, I think that's like a great idea to get you an extra battery. So basically that is all that's in my makeup bag. Oh, also, this couldn't fit in my makeup bag, but this is in my purse, and this is some Smell Good. I think I better put some on right now, you know, because it smells so good. Yes. And this right here is Forever Midnight, and I got this from Bath and Body Works. I can't even remember how much I got this for, but I know they got one bigger than this. But this is like a small size for me. Well, they come smaller, and they sell them for like $6.50 a bottle, and I think this is like $13 in my area. So yeah, I promise you guys, go try this out, man. This stuff right here is the bomb, man. $4 makeup bag. Don't need all that crap to look cute. You know what I'm saying? Just day by day stuff, you know, change out daily or whatever you're gonna do. That's what I do. So yeah, and that is all that's going on in my makeup bag, and I hope you guys like this look that I got going on. This picture will be up at the end of this video. Also, you can see it on my Instagram page, and I will have the link in the description bar below, and that is NAUGHTY_GYRL, if you can find me, because a lot of people cannot find me, but I will put the link below. And until next time, you guys, I will catch you in my next video. Bye.